Hi there, Craig here from Tier 1, and today I'd like to talk to you about our Blaser ring sets. Now, these Blaser ring sets differ from every other Blaser ring set on the market in that you can actually have incline built into them for longer range shooting. So we actually offer 0, obviously flat, we offer 8 minutes of angle, and we offer 20 minutes of angle for the long range shooting. Now, the standard rings, we have 4 screws in each ring, very secure mounting. They also have a little bubble built into them as standard. Now if you're using heavier calibers, you can actually get 6 screw rings, 3 screws a side, a lot more contact area on your scope saddle there, really able to resist the high recoil forces of the larger calibers, 338 Lapua, etc. So the Blaser rifles, as we all know, fantastic weapons for hunting, fantastic weapons for anything to be fair, but the weak point for me was always the scope rings. So we just wanted to improve them, and when we came to improve them we thought, because there's a known distance between, we can actually put incline into them, really open it up for the long range shooters. To fit the Blaser rings, you simply remove your existing rings from the excellent Blaser saddle mount. From the underneath you screw in our rings, they come with screws, straight in, there you go, fitted straight on. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.